Working with AWS Cloud involves leveraging a wide range of cloud services to build, deploy, and manage applications and infrastructure. Here's how to get started. Sign into AWS Management Console. Access the AWS Management Console and log in using your AWS account credentials. Explore core services. Compute. AWS provides services like EC2, Lambda, and Elastic Beanstalk for running virtual servers, serverless functions, or web applications. Storage. Use S3 for scalable object storage, EBS for persistent block storage, and Glacier for archival storage. Networking. VPC, Route 53, and Elastic Load Balancer manage networks, DNS, and traffic distribution. Databases. RDS, DynamoDB, and Redshift handle managed databases, NoSQL solutions, and data warehousing. Setting up infrastructure. Use CloudFormation to define and manage infrastructure as code, enabling automated deployment and scaling. Configure IAM roles and policies to control access to resources securely. Deploy applications. Deploy applications using services like Elastic Beanstalk or containerized solutions with ECS or EKS. Automate CI/CD pipelines with AWS Code Pipeline and Code Deploy to ensure smooth deployment processes. Monitor and optimize. Use AWS CloudWatch for monitoring, logging, and setting up alerts based on performance metrics. Optimize costs using AWS Cost Explorer and leverage services efficiently. Security and compliance. Implement security best practices by enabling MFA, using VPCs, and encrypting data at rest and in transit using AWS Key Management Service.